Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and earn XP in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started taking a look at the books that are recommended to us. We can browse the posts and ideas by people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to earn XP. So basically, earning XP in Deepstash is a part of its gamified learning experience designed to turn reading and content curation into a habit. So you can earn XP by consistently interacting with the platform's bite-sized knowledge cards. So here on the main page, you're going to go and be able to take a look at all the daily articles that you can read. As you can see at the top of the screen, I have the continue reading option that's going to appear once you start reading something that's on the home page. From where you're going to go and be able to take a look at the idea you can read for today. So by doing this, you're going to be getting XP. In the bottom right corner, you can go ahead and click on your profile picture. That's going to show you your achievements, your stats, and so on. There's going to show you how much XP you have, how you compare to your friends, and so on. And this is the gamified feature of Deepstash. So by getting XP and learning every day through Deepstash, you're going to go and increase your level, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.